Hi guys, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can add Tubebuddy extension to your Chrome browser step by step, and also how you can use it. So let's begin. Open your Chrome browser as I have opened and type here Chrome extension. After that the first link will appear, click on it. After that you will see a search box here at the top left side of your laptop screen. Type here Tubebuddy. And here see this uh, Tubebuddy extension will appear, the number 1 rated extension for YouTube creators. Click on it. After that here you will find add to Chrome button, click on it. After that here add Tubebuddy pop-up will appear, and so click on add extension. After that it will be on checking, and here you will see the file will be downloaded. Here now it's downloading, depends on your internet speed. As you can see, the file has downloaded and it has been adding to Chrome. The Tubebuddy. As you can see, the Tubebuddy has been added to Chrome. Pop-up appears. So now if I go to YouTube, and guys, here remember you must need to sign in. Okay, if you don't sign in, then it will create a problem, that is it will not work. So you have to sign in. I will use my this account. After that I will type my password. After that click on next. After that you guys can see a red written text appear, which is Tubebuddy sign in required. Click here. So you have to click here. After that guys, a pop-up appears which says thank you for installing Tubebuddy. So please sign in to Tubebuddy selecting the same YouTube channel that you are currently logged into YouTube with. So guys, here basically boxes will appear, so you have to mark them as tick. So after that click on sign in with YouTube. So here click on your account. After that click on allow. Now guys, congratulations, now Tubebuddy will work. So if I want to show you how it works, so as you can see it's saying that successfully signed in. So for example, I click on this video. So guys, you can see it has displayed all of its summary, social channel, best practices, tags. So guys, now you have understand how you can also use Tubebuddy with your Chrome browser. So guys, hope so you liked my video. Comment